Hello YouTube, Johnny B here, back with another unboxing video. And this is a package I got from apmex. It's been a little while. We're going to open it up here. Let me get the packing slip out of here off camera. Just pull that out. Well, okay, got the packing slip out. Just got a few items here, a few things, and we'll start with this. Got a gram of gold. I need to add a little bit more gold to the stack. Rather pricey to buy it when you're not buying it by the ounce, but a gram of gold, little bar, that's pretty cool. And apmex, I was looking on there for 20th ounce and 10th ounce gold coins, and they're sold out of all of them, pretty much, basically all of them. The Canadian Maple Leafs, 10th and 20th ounce, the American Eagles. I think there's a new Kangaroo that's out that has a 10th and 20th ounce, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I was going to pick one of those up, but they're all out of stock of those, so went ahead and picked this up. That. And dollar face value of Mercury dimes. So I started another tube of Merc dimes. It's pretty awesome. These are all pretty, these are in okay condition except for maybe that one. Oops. One of these. Where'd it go? That one. So, dollar face value of those. And I got some different coins here. Canadian dollar. This is, let's see, this is AU condition. I don't think I really need gloves for these. This is the first one of these I got. That's pretty sweet. So I got that. I'll show you. 4th ounce Balboa, 1951. I wanted to get a dollar coin of this, but they didn't have any other ones of these either on apmex. So, but I really like the hat on this. This is really cool. It's a reverse. You can see that. So I'll pick that up, and one second, let's see. Oh, Columbian Expo $50. This is supposed to be cleaned. They had a pretty good selection of these, from clean to I think they had some BUs on there too. But I didn't want to spend as much as they wanted for a BU. Pirate ship. That's pretty cool. pretty awesome. Yeah, that's it for this buy. There's the gold again. Wonder if this is numbered. Probably not. No. There's that. So there's just a little buy. It's getting really expensive to buy silver for some people, you know. fixed budgets and fixed incomes and stuff. And with inflation, the price of food and gas, the area where I live, gas just hit $3.15 a gallon yesterday. So that's just the start of it. I mean, within the next 2-3 years, I think we're gonna have $6 gallon gas in my part of the country. Out west, California, you guys are probably gonna be paying $8-9 a gallon. So, but yeah, inflation's kicking in, and the silver and gold prices aren't reflecting inflation, I don't think. The premiums are. I mean, they're adding on the expected, what they expect the price to be is added on into the premiums, of course, but we'll have to wait and see. I think my call for $52 silver, I don't think it's going to happen by July 1st, but they're not, I don't think that there's a lot of suppression or rigging in the precious metals markets. There might be a little bit, but if there was, I mean, they can't hold the price down for as many years as they have. I mean, in my opinion, silver should be $35 an ounce right now, or even higher, but we'll see what happens. I got another video dropping Saturday afternoon sometime, so stay tuned for that. But this is just a little buy right now, so a little bit of Canadian and some different stuff that I don't have. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, share this on your social media, of course. Leave a comment, that helps. And take care.